In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to take progress pictures on Myfitnesspal. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you need to do is ensure that you have the latest version of Myfitnesspal installed on your Android or iOS device. So if needed, open up the Play Store or the App Store and update the app to its latest version in order to properly access the progress picture feature. Once you ensure that you are running the latest version available, open the app up and sign into your account as usual. All you have to do is wait for it to load, and from the start screen on the dashboard, you can just scroll all the way down until you see the progress tab. Like I said, just go to the dashboard after opening up the app, and in here, you can select wait next to progress and click the plus sign to add your first progress point. Add it to wait, the date, and add a photo if you want to, and you can start tracking your progress by adding pictures each time. I hope I was able to help you on how to take progress pictures on Myfitnesspal. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.